In this video, I will be showing you how to save a Chatgpt conversation as a PDF, PNG, and HTML file. Let's get started. First, I am going to open up my sidebar menu to navigate to the chat I want to save. I am going down to my recents and selecting my blog post checklist chat. Once the conversation loads, I can look through it to make sure everything is in order. To save this conversation as a PDF file, I can use the browser's built-in print command. I'm hitting Ctrl+P on my keyboard, which brings up the browser print setup options. Under the destination drop-down menu, I am selecting Save as PDF to ensure the format is set correctly. I'll make sure the layout is set to portrait and everything looks correct in the layout preview. Once that is all set, I'll click the blue Save button at the bottom right. A window pops up where I can choose my download directory. I will keep the default file name Blog Post Checklist, verify the file type is a PDF document, and click Save. To verify that it worked, I will open my file manager and go to my Downloads folder. There is my newly created file. I can open it up, look through it, and see that my entire multi-page Chatgpt history has been perfectly formatted and securely stored on my local hard drive as a readable PDF file. Now let's head back to our browser. Next, I want to show you how to save the conversation as a PNG image file. To do this, I am moving my mouse cursor up to my browser extension bar at the top right and clicking on my browser extensions icon. From the drop-down menu, I am selecting my full-page screen capture tool called Go Full Page. Once clicked, the tool automatically begins scrolling through the active window, taking a continuous capture of the entire web page content. I will sit tight for a brief moment while it finishes processing the long script. When it finishes, it opens up a preview tab of our capture. If I hover my mouse over the center of the image, I can click to zoom in and check out the sharp details of the text. Everything looks perfectly captured. To download this as a PNG image, I will look at the top right toolbar area and click the Download Image PNG button. A browser permissions dialog box appears asking if the extension can manage downloads. I will click Allow. Now, the download successfully triggers and the image file is securely saved to my device. I can open up the completed image from my browser's recent downloads list, zoom in, and look over the complete chat timeline saved in a convenient image format. Finally, I'll close out these viewing windows and show you how to securely export your complete archive, which includes your data in HTML and JSON formats directly from the platform itself. I am navigating over to my profile name at the bottom left of the sidebar menu and clicking on it to expand the settings menu. I will click on Settings from this list. A modal window opens up with multiple preference tabs. I am clicking on the Data Controls section on the left side menu. Next to the Export Data option, I will click the Export button on the right. A confirmation prompt pops up reminding me that my account details and complete chats will be bundled together and emailed to my registered address as a downloadable file link that remains active for 24 hours. To initialize this process, I will click the green Confirm Export button. The pop-up changes to let me know the export is successfully requested. Now the security system prompts me to verify my inbox. All I have to do is check the registered email address shown on screen, input the correct verification code into this text field, and hit Continue. To receive my download file bundle containing my comprehensive chat history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.